Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Rayhan. I'm very happy to stand here today and deliver a short speech. It's always a great feeling to share something meaningful with all of you. Today, I would like to talk about a special topic, Bandung after rain. Bandung is known as a beautiful city with cool weather and friendly people. But after the rain, this city becomes even even more beautiful and magical. The soft wind, the smell of wet earth, and the shining street make Bandung look like a scene from a movie. Each moment, you might see two high school students walking home together under one umbrella. They, they laugh, talk, and enjoy the cool air as the rain slowly fades away. Around time, cafes smell and cafes smell of warm coffee, and the trees look greenish. Everything feels calm, fresh, and full of life. The lights begin to glow across the city, and mist gently cover the hills. It's a moment that shows how beautiful life can be after the storm. Bandung after rain, teacher use that after every challenge, challenge, there's always peace and hope waiting for you, just like the clear sky after the rain. In, in conclusion, Bandung after rain is more than just a view. It's a feeling, it reminds you to appreciate small, simple moments that make life beautiful. Thank you for listening to my speech. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.